go.
Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating today, this is a VeTraCo cosmetic powder press. The unit is going to need some factory repairs and some help, but we've powered it up to just demonstrate what will we need to do. We're going to start over here at the main control panel. Jim, if you come around here, the controls look clean, and come in the side on the left, Jim. Let's take a look at that. Everything looks pretty clean. It has an Omron PLC. You can see it's illuminated operating. We're operating at 223 phase voltage. So what we've been able to get, and we do have a little bit of lack of familiarity with the machine. That's the pressing station you're seeing there. Let me step back a little bit, Jim. So we start here, you'll see the power light is indicating we're operating on a single compacting mode in manual. The motor comes on, and that's the hydraulic system you hear operating in there. Okay, we also have the light switches in here. Comes on as illumination inside. Also, the light curtain here, you'll see on the top here, Jim, get a look, you see the green up there operating. So when you come in, you see the red. So it's the system is operating. It has on the control panel the safety pins here, which are these two, and there's a locked and unlocked position. So if we turn them, unlock, lock them, this keeps the press head from coming down and stopping, so you must be in the unlocked position to operate. I want to reset that. And we're finding that we have to reset with each cycle. Also on here, the sifter motor. Now that's, you can hear it running in the back, and we really can't show you. It's the agitator, which runs in the hopper way back here. Also what's working is the ribbon feed right here. We turn it on, you'll see the ribbon rotating in the back. That's for feeding or advancing your ribbon. So the only way we can get it to stroke, it has a double palm safety switch that has to be pressed and held in place for the duration. And even holding it, it's not operating through the timing system apparently, and it doesn't return. So you have to hit the reset, brings it back up, and it'll do that every time. Comes down, locks. When I release, it doesn't come back up. It's operating through a time cycle right there. So we'll reset it again, hold the reset in for the length. And that's about everything we have running on it. This is the other half of the die, which goes on the top, matching that there. Also, if you look inside there, Jim, let me just demonstrate that. We're able to run that little platen up and down. And I don't know if that holds another die or... So the hydraulic system is working, and as you see, there's a switch here which is broken. That's for your pressure. That will have to be replaced. And I think the factory is pretty good about these machines, and you can get their assistance to get it up and running. We do have 4 of these in stock. Some are partially incomplete. They can be furnished as a parts machine if you like. This is one of several compacting presses we have in our stock by VeTraCo, Mizuho. So we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. Thanks very much for joining us today.